Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll talk about the journey of an FMCG brand. If you are an FMCG startup who wants to create brands for your target audience, or you are an employee who wants to understand what all departments a brand or a product goes through and what are the key learnings that you can take out of it, then this video is for you. Right, but before that, if you are new to this channel and are interested in FMCG related concepts, then do subscribe to this channel as I publish such videos regularly. Right, so let's get started. Journey of an FMCG brand. Now, to start with, you must have a product or a category idea. Right, if you have a product, great. For that particular product, you will need to have a market research. You will see your target audience. According to your target audience, what should be the pricing, what should be the shelf life, what should be the packaging, what kind of quality you have to give, what kind of product you have to provide, and the place and positioning. All these things are very important in market research. Once your market research is done, you provide that particular product towards product development team where the innovation takes place. Right, so this is the innovation which is happening. Right, this can be in-house or contractual basis. Right, so once the manufacturing is done for this particular product, side by side there is marketing team that takes care of creativity. Right, there is a brand conception. Birth takes place of that particular brand. Right, you provide the name, logo, packaging, price to portion size ratio. Then once all these things are sorted, you will work on marketing communication activities. Right, in this you will have ATL activities or BTL activities. ATL is above the line, BTL is below the line. ATL activities is more like TV commercials. BTL activities is like more of pamphlets or the schemes that you are providing to the distributors. Right, so now the manufacturing is done. Once the lab testing is done and the product is finalized, this product is being sold via distributors. So we have come to selling part. This is the backbone of the company, sales, because once the sales is done, then only you can hit the profits. Right, so there are various channels for the sales, right, through distributors or super stockists. So now there would be various distributors through general trade or the institutions that we say B2B sales. Then Horeca is hotels, restaurants, catering companies. Right, if you're in food business. Then there is online, through Amazon, Flipkart, own company website. Then there is retail, modern trade. Right, modern trade like Big Bazaar. And finally, direct to customer subscription model. So these are the basic channels through which you can provide your products to the customers. Right, so once this product is supplied, brand birth is there, inception. So through the sales you'll get the customer experience. Right, and through the marketing you'll get the customer perception. So once these two are combined, you'll get the customer opinion. If the product is good, if the quality is good, if the pricing is well as per the industry standards, all those kind of things will be there. Right, so once the customer builds his or her opinion, then there would be acceptance or rejection. So if there is a rejection, then you have to try once again to rebuild the product or rebuild the features or rebuild the pricing or those kind of structures. Or if the acceptance is there, then you have to focus on brand growth. And then you can go forward and create new products in that particular category. Right, so this is one chain for which the company focuses. If there is rejection, as we discussed, and then there is brand death, then you can think of exiting the business or you can try once again. Right, so these are the things that you have to focus on. So now coming back to the marketing part. So we discussed this is very important. This is the creativity machine where you do all the marketing communications. Right, branding is done. So from here, all the ATL BTL activities through which there is a perception built in the end consumers. Right, this connects with the experience of the customers because they have purchased via any channel that we discussed. Once they use the particular product, they'll understand the quality, the value for money concept, and all those sort, and they provide their opinion as we discussed. Again, there are two things: needs and wants fulfillment. Sometimes there is no need of that particular product, so there is the opinion of the customer through which you will get to know this particular format, right? And the competition, what is the existing competition in the market for that particular category, right? So this is the holistic understanding of the flow of for the product, right? So as we discussed, there is a product or category idea through which there is market research. This is very important, through which this is like a base. You are building a building, there should be a base, right? This is the foundation. And then we talked about innovation, then we talked about sales, then we talked about creativity. So this is how a journey of an FMCG brand looks like, right? So this is it about in this particular video. If you love this kind of video, then do let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and do subscribe to this channel if you're new to this channel. Thank you.